Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make Terraria in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will need is we're going to go for earth right here, and then we're going to go for wind and combine them so that you'd have dust. Once you have dust, add another dust into so that you can create sand. Once you have the sand, you just want to remove it first, and then we're going to go for water and fire to create steam. Once you have that, then you want to go for fire right here and then add it to steam. And then once you have engine, add sand into it so that you would have a sandbox. Once you have sandbox, the next thing that you should do is to create dust and earth right here and combine them to create planet. And then once you have planet, you want to combine it with a sandbox right here. And now you have Minecraft. So the next thing is that you want to go for another sandbox and combine it with Minecraft so that you'd have Terraria, and that is basically how you do it.